Mga doktor, respetuhin nyo naman. Doctors deserve respect inside and outside the hospital because of their invaluable role in saving lives and promoting health. Heto ang mga rason kung bakit natin kailangan respetuhin ang mga doctors. Una, sacrifice and dedication. Doctors spend sleepless nights studying and working para lang maibigay ang tamang lunas. Imagine studying for over a decade. Hindi yan joke. Pangalawa, physical and emotional toll. Ang hirap ng trabaho nila. Buong araw nilang iniintindi ang kalusugan natin. Kahit minsan, napapabayaan na ang sarili nilang health. Pangatlo, compassion. Behind every prescription ay isang taong nagmamalasakit sa atin. Kahit pagod, they choose to serve with care. Respecting doctors is essential, not just as professionals, but as people who devote their lives to serving others. Let's show gratitude and kindness to doctors, inside and outside the hospital. Remember, ang respeto, libre lang, pero napakahalaga. Para sa mga bayani ng kalusugan, magpasalamat tayo. Ingat!